Good afternoon, students. How are you today all? I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, in our last class we have learnt about HCF, isn't it? Yes, let's see about this. Once again I recall you, what is HCF? Highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. So the HCF of two numbers is the largest factor that common to both of them. Okay, so see this example. One example I give you. HCF of 18 comma 24. Already I taught you yesterday. In yesterday 18 comma 24 equal to, we got the number is number 6. Okay, so once again I tell you how can we find the factors for these numbers. So first we take number 18. Okay, the 18 comes in 2 table. Okay, how many times comes number 18 in 2 table? 9 times. Okay, 9 2s are 18. Okay, so next this number 9 is comes in 3 table. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so again the 3 comes in 3 table, so 1 3 is 3. Okay, so finally we got the number 1. Okay, so next we take the second number 24. Okay, 24 also comes in 2 table. Okay, so how many times? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 12 times. Okay, next this number also comes in 2 table. So how many times? 6 2s are 12. Next again this 6 is comes in 2 tables, so 3 2s are 6. Okay, next again the 3 comes in 3 table, 1 3 is 3. Okay, can you understand this? Yes, first so we take and write these numbers of prime factors. Okay, prime factorization of number 18. 18 what are the factors? 2 into 3 into 3. So next prime factorization of number 24 equal to, what are the numbers coming? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so first we need to find the common numbers. Okay, common factors. So 2 comes in both the numbers, and next 3 comes in the both factors. Okay, so finally the HCF of number 18 comma 24 equal to, so what are the numbers? Both two numbers we take one number. Okay, 2 into 3. Okay, that is equal to, finally we get the answer is number 6. Okay, so this process is called the HCF processing. Okay, so HCF means highest common factor. Okay, we take only the common factors. Okay, so let's see now. Today we are going to see LCM. Okay, so LCM, what is that? LCM meaning least common multiple. Least common multiple. The LCM of any non-zero whole number is the smallest or the lowest common multiple of both the numbers. Okay, for example, see this LCM. Okay, 6 comma 9. So LCM of 6 comma 9. How can we find this? Okay, so here also we need to take the numbers 6. Okay, so 6 comes in 2 table, 3 2s are 6. Again we take the number 3 table, 1 3 is 3. So next we take the number 9. Okay, 9 also comes in 3 table. Okay, so how many times? 3 3s are 9. Okay, so next okay, the 3 comes in 3 table, 1 3 is 3. Okay, so next take and write the prime factorization. Prime factorization of number 6 equal to, what are the factors? 2 into 3. Next number 9. 9 equal to 3 into 3. Okay, so in LCM we don't take the common factors. Okay, so take the number. Okay, so here common factor is, see this common factor. Okay, what is the common factor is here? Number 3. Okay, so next other factors you take. Okay, other factors. Other factors, what are the numbers are remaining? 2 into 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Okay, what is the meaning of LCM? LCM is the product of common factor and the product of other factors. Okay, see this. I have written product of common factor into product of the other factor. Okay, therefore LCM of 6, 9 equal to, so take and write the common factor is 3 into other factor multiplication number 6. Okay, 3 6 are 18. Okay, this is the LCM for 6, 9. Okay, so can you understand? So just simply we say that LCM, we take all the factors. Okay, we need to multiply all the factors. Okay, but in HCF we need to multiply the common factors only. Okay, so let's see in exercise. Okay, question number 4. Find the LCM of each set of numbers using the prime factorization method 6, 9. Now only I am told you. So how can we find the factor? Okay, next we are going to see the second question 8, 12. Okay, so take and write the 8 and 12. Find the factors like that. Okay, so next prime factorization of these numbers and find the common factors 2 and 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Common factor 4 and then other factors are the remaining 2 into 3. So 6. So finally we find the LCM. LCM number 4 into 6. Okay, product of common factor into product of other factors. So 4 6 are 24. So the answer is 24. Okay, so next 10, 15 also the same method. Okay, so refer this. Okay, go to next one. See the fifth question 30, 40, 60. Here taking 3 numbers. Okay, in 3 numbers how can we find the LCM? So we take the number 30, 40, 60. Take one division method. Okay, so here the numbers 30, 40, 60 are comes in 5th table. Okay, so 6 5s are 30, 8 5s are 40 and 12 5s are 60. Again these numbers are coming in 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8 and 6 2s are 12. So next the number 3. Okay, we take 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 4 comes in 3 table. So we take the same. And then 6 comes in 3 table. 2 3s are 6. Again we take the 2 table. Okay, 1 is a constant and then 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 is 2. So next remaining 1 2 having, so take 2 table 1 and 1 2 is 2 and finally we got all the numbers are coming 1. Okay, so here the LCM equal to product of all prime factors. Okay, so we take all the numbers. Okay, take a multiplication 5 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so finally we got the answer 5 2s are 10. Okay, see how can we multiple 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Okay, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 120. Okay, therefore the LCM of 30, 40, 60 equal to 120. Okay, so as the same method of this sixth question. Okay, so refer this also. Okay, so dear students, your class is over today and then you need to write all the question answers in your classwork. Okay, so I know very well, so you are not have a term book, so no problem, you need to write your classwork. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day, see you, bye bye.